Good evening, everyone. Uh, so यूजुअली होता ही है ना कि मेरे पास ऐसे बहुत सारे कॉल्स आते हैं कि यू हैव टू प्रेजेंट देयर, यू हैव टू स्पीक अबाउट योर एक्सपीरियंसेस, और मैं ना बिना सोचे समझे हाँ बोल देता हूँ। फिर उस दिन से आने तक मैं ये सोचता हूँ कि क्या बहाना बना सकता हूँ कि ये जाना ना पड़े, बट ओइंग टू माई इंट्रोवर्ट साइड मैं वो बहाना भी नहीं बता पाता एंड इवेंचुअली एंड अप ऑन द स्टेज। तो अब कुछ हो जाए तो ही इज़ रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर इट। सो आई थिंक लाइफ जर्नी में आई हैवंट included everything to have a good story for you. So I thought maybe I'll include a good insight from what I have done in my business, which has helped us grow. And it's a bit on the technical side, but yeah, I'll try to make it interesting for you. So just to give you a basic introduction, what we do, Nuskha mein, I believe the teachers would be more, I would say, more in tune with what we do rather than the students, but eventually you will get to that stage maybe in the next 10 years. So what we do is we make products for pregnancy and post-pregnancy duration, and in general women's health products. And this entire venture was started by my mother. It's her brainchild. She started with it, and I just joined in क्योंकि मेरे पास job नहीं थी. So this is basically what we do. Now, we had a very particular problem that we had to solve. Now, pregnancy is a time duration in your life which comes between, on an average, comes between 25 to 40 years of age, and maybe once or twice, probably thrice if you are exciting, overproductive. And major reason for starting this, why I jumped into this particular field was that, like Paresh sir said, India is a producing nation, and what's the best product to sell is for the pregnancy. So we started with this. So now the issue remains the same. 18 months, 9 months plus 9 months, 2 pregnancies on an average. 18 months you have to strictly target in that area. And उसके आसपास अगर आप बाहर जाएंगे तो the product is irrelevant for the masses. Now this becomes very difficult for us because if any one of you have tried running targeted performance marketing ads or any kind of ads or done any kind of marketing in the online sector, it fails because इतनी specific targeting nobody can offer you. So we being an e-commerce company had the first goal to it कि performance marketing करेंगे, influencer marketing करेंगे. This will clear our doubts. Now performance marketing obviously has its demerits. Then so our ROAS, the return on ad spends, kept on increasing. So for each rupee that we were earning, we were spending 2. And that was a big mistake for us. Then we thought कि सब influencer marketing में बहुत जाता है, so we should start with influencers. Now the problem was influencers who want to target this pregnancy audience, they start when they get baby bump, and then eventually they become toddler influencers, then preteen influencers, and then move out कि अब बच्चे पढ़ने चले गए. So this was also a fail. So we had to find a way. So we thought जैसे नुक्कड़ नाटक में नहीं होता कि जोर जोर से चिल्ला चिल्ला के बुलाओ, यू हैव टू फाइंड अ अट्रैक्शन पॉइंट जिससे लोग आपकी तरफ आ जाएं. द नेक्स्ट इज अ डिफरेंट स्टोरी. सो व्हाट वी डिड वाज वी स्टार्टेड विद अ व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप फॉर आवर फ्री फॉर ऑल. Just started as a gratitude exercise that certain people have joined us. इतने सारे लोगों में कोई तो प्रोडक्ट खरीद रहा है, तो we should start with them. And once we started with that, we hired key persons who were let's say gynecologists, yoga experts, and Ayurvedic experts to provide free consultations on the group, and that spread like wildfire for us. Eventually what happened is the run of the mill started, and we started gaining traction through these groups. We were not promoting our products on it in any sense. We were just putting out information for the general use, and this helped us grow. And with the time, in 3 months we had 15,000 people joining in, specifically pregnant women, which was our target audience. This opened another avenue for us. We were selling them the products which were not ours as well. So people from other industries also started coming in for promotion क्योंकि problem तो उनके पास भी same ही थी. So second solution that we found out was establishing a doctors network. So eventually चीटी जहाँ चीनी जहाँ चीटी वहाँ वाला हिसाब है तो doctors के पास सबसे ज़्यादा patients हैं who are particularly pregnant. So we started collaborating with them and setting up our centers in their hospitals, providing them incentives. And now problem with doctors also is that doctors directly connect नहीं करते. They have their own apprehensions. So what we started doing is, let's say X person comes to us and is taking our services. We'll ask them to report our honest feedback to the doctor that I'm using these particular products. Have you noticed any different health benefits in my pregnancy stages? So that eventually helped us roll, and we grew so large in the doctors network that one of our leading investors right now is one of the most famous influencer doctor gynecologist in India. So to give you a key matrices, we started with one. Now we have 60 gynecologists who are in our network across India. We are open for collaborations in outside European and US markets as well. And revenue impact was so much that जो हम for every earning every 1 rupee we were spending 2 rupees. Now for every 1 rupee we are spending 10 paisas. So yeah, generally I would say this was not particularly to tell you what exactly happened in it, or you should copy paste or use this. I would just like to say that even if you have an idea and you're working on it, the best part and practice of it would be to make uncalled for changes and unconventional rules for it, and that will help you grow better with it. Yeah, so that will be all from my side. Thank you.